Hi, today we will explain about ERT roleplay. Let's go! This is Olivia as Incident Commander.
Hi, I am Incident Commander and my role is we lead the response efforts, make critical decision under pressure, and also make coordinate the response teams. That's all. Next.
This is Shika as Historian.
Okay, my duty is to note down the detail of scenario emergency situation, then I will stay with Incident Commander.
This is Azza Fazila.
Hi. Hi, I'm Maria Marshall. Overall, I'm in charge of situation, direct team members, evacuation order, and prevent spread of fire.
Let's go back to Shika. Shika.
Okay, so now I'm as a evacuation and communication squad. So my role is to alert all staff and workers. So then I will call a fire and rescue department to ensure all persons are clear.
This is Sheila as firefighting team.
Hello guys, so I'm a part of firefighting team and we will suppress the fires in designated work area and assist the search and rescue team. That's all. Bye.
And I am Jing Shen. I play a role as roll caller, which is need to check attendance at assembly area, and also search and rescue team, which need to save victims from the scene and provide initial medical. Enjoy our video.
That's all.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So I am the reporter. So you are the one who survived the Tianjin explosion.
Yes, I am.
Actually, what happened that time?
I'm very traumatizing, and it happened when.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Attention, a fire emergency has been reported in your zone. Proceed to the nearest stairwells, walk down to your pre-designated floor. Please do not use elevators. Please remain calm.
Everyone is here?
Yes.
Okay. Olivia?
Yes.
Shika?
Yes.
Sheila?
Here.
Azza? Yes. Alright, everyone is here. Okay.
Fire Marshal, please inform your team to call firefighter now.
Okay.
Alright.
Please, I want you to call 999 to inform the explosion.
Oh, okay.
Hello, please come here quickly because there's explosion here. Hello? Okay, can I help you? Okay, explosion? There? Okay. Address please? Okay. Okay. I will send my team to the address immediately. Attention! All team, get ready to the Tianjin port now. Again, all team, get ready to the Tianjin port now.
Listen from this incident.
So the first important lesson learned from Tianjin explosion is identify the properties of chemical and determine the toxicity of substances. So how? First, the label needs to be clear, like this. Not only that, but all the employees need to know the information about the chemical or the substances. So there is no misinformation.
Next lesson is proper storage of the chemicals. The information of the chemicals need to be shared with land use planners so that the safety distance of each chemical can be followed. Chemical storage areas need to be designed, constructed, and managed carefully so that the chemical ignition can be prevented. Store the chemicals also must be based on their properties.
Stop! This is not how to do. So first, we need to improve ERP. Evacuation plan should be developed and tested so rescue operation can be smooth. Other than that, equipment and information need to be provided in case incident or emergency occur.
Educating staff and patrons with regular training for handling dangerous substances or how to respond if any emergency involve any hazard chemicals happens. This is to ensure that every single one of the employees can react and respond immediately if an accident like spill chemical occurs.
Next point is must do the regular inspection, which is everyone needs to learn because potential any hazard can be identified and helps improving the preventive measure. Then maintenance must be carried out as much as it needs, so will be function as it should. Then need to be done by competent person. Also, supervisor must be on site to check the package on seal because one small mistake can cause a huge disaster.
Increase the amount or the level of penalty for anyone who violated the laws and regulations that have been set so that it can ensure strict adherence to them, so that no loss will happen to their company. As proof, Royhai Company repeatedly violated laws and regulations.